Hello! So today I'm gonna try to get these stickers from China, which are really weird, to the KTM exc200. So first we're gonna take off the stickers and then we'll see what we're working on. So they're really strange. They have this very yucky structure, so I don't know. We'll see. So I removed the graphics kits, which was the old one, and found something funny. It doesn't align, like it's very bad fitment. Like if you would check, like this is the back, so how is it normal? So we're gonna write to the seller that graphic kits is totally not for my bike. Well, it fits, like the airbox fits perfectly, almost perfectly, let's say, but anything else is pretty shit, so we'll just make do now and wait for the new graphics kit, maybe. I don't know, we'll see how China is working, aliexpress. So yeah, kind of sad about that, but we'll see. We'll make do. This is how it fits. Really, I would say shitty. When you heat it up, it gets very, 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 very soft, and would never recommend to buy from graphics kits from AliExpress to this fact that I'm getting like a lot of air bubbles. The fitment is really wrong. Like, what the hell? I'll have to cut that. So it'll make do, but it looks ugly and I don't like it. Looks not that bad, but not that great. We'll try to do this. This should fit, like almost, so we'll see how it goes. So yeah. Looks quite decent, so that's not bad, but still don't know. Not a fan of this graphics. They're really hard to stick on, and one thing is nice to get out the bubbles, this kind of texture, but that's all. I'm gonna work this back now because there's a lot of bubbles in there because as you see, a lot of tries to get it nice. So we'll try. Let's tackle the front. The video got cut off because my friend called me, so that's fine. So it looks half decent. From afar, it looks good. From afar. You're looking at it not from the far. Still don't know where does these go. Here. Maybe. Here. Nope. So still don't know where these go. That's fun. Yeah. So I'm about to do the other side now, so we'll see how it goes. I have to unbolt this one because I made it for enduro, and take off the stickers, clean it with rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, I don't know, it has different names. I'll leave this one and that one because it looks good and it's new, so don't care. I think my handlebar guard is a little bit down, looking towards that one. They don't match, so we'll do it. So it's time to use the X-Acto knife and maybe clean this up. We'll see how it looks in the end, but I'm not happy with it, so that's kind of sad, but whatever. 50 euros for a full graphics kit, which doesn't really fit my bike, but half, I don't know how to say it. Like, you get these kind of slack of this, so this is bullshit, but it's what you get when you pay 50 euros for a full graphics kit. So that's sad, but we'll make the best of it and we'll cut the excess off and we'll see how it looks in the end. So see you at the end. Finally done. Don't know how much it took. We'll see it in the editing. I'll try to edit with my phone because I have no experience of editing, so I'm guessing that's a lot easier. So yeah, I say a lot, so yeah, I remember from the time when I made videos. So you see, you see, I do it a lot. It was pretty hard to make to do the graphics. I don't know, I don't know how to say. But in the end, it's maybe worth it. I don't know. Now I would buy a genuine good kit of graphics which are made for my bike, which I thought these are, but they're not. That's kind of sad. But from standing from like 3 meters, it looks good. Standing from like 5 meters. When you come closer, it doesn't look like that good because you can see first my shitty work for air bubbles. Second, the things that don't align. So that's bad, but what do you gotta do? It's an enduro bike, so looks are just for, I don't know, for photos which are taken from 5 meters away, so that's good. So for photos it'll be good, but for like inspection and like looking at it, not that good, but we'll see. Maybe I'll order a new kit which is genuine and good, and then we'll see. So yeah, see ya.